Hi everyone, this is Dr. Praveen S. Patil here. Today I am going to talk on diet in hemorrhoids. Friends, if the person is suffering from hemorrhoids, two things he should take care. One is he should not sit in toilet for longer duration, that is, he should not strain and he avoid the constipation. To overcome this problem, he should have a regular body activity either in the form of exercises, yoga, etc. I recommend take plenty of water in the form of juice or in the form of buttermilk or in the form of the tender coconut, which will softens the stool. If the person is suffering from diabetes and renal disorders, he should take the opinion of his physician whether he can take the tender coconut water or not. One should pay a maximum concentration on his diet. He can take plenty of fruits or in the form of juice or as a raw fruit. One should take a very fiber rich diet in the form of radish, tender cluster bean, fenugreek leaves, carrot, cucumber, etc. So, having these green leafy vegetables or radish kind of roots will help to soften the stool and better bowel movement because these are rich in fiber. Better to avoid the foods like puffed rice. So these are the two kind of puffed rice we usually get in India, and these will absorb the maximum water which is present in the bowel. So it will hardens the stool and make the patient to suffer with the constipation. As much as possible, avoid the fast food and non-veg. Human body is not meant to digest the non-veg, meat or chicken. So these are partially get digested and may cause the constipation. So avoid the too spicy food and non-veg also. Shushruta in his Chikitsasthana 6th chapter 8th shloka, he has told that Sarveshu cha Shalishashtikah yava godumannam sarpi snigdha dupa shevet payasa. It means that we should take the Shastikashali, a kind of rice it is. So he says Shale Shastika and Yava, that is barley, and Godumannam, the things which are prepared by the wheat. Like in India, we prepare chapati out of it. So for this, he says add sarpi into it, that is ghee. So whatever the food you take, add sarpi and use plenty of milk. So that will help to overcome the problems like constipation. And even it will help for the easy bowel movement. So he advised whatever the food you take, either in the form of Shastikashali, Yava or Godumanna, that is rice, barley and wheat, add the ghee into it. Yachadapi snigdham agnideepanam arshognam shunmutram purusham cha tadupasevet, which means so we should take a food which initiate our digestion and prevent the formation of the piles and prevent the constipation and urinary retention. For that, I recommend to use the buttermilk every day, at least once in a day. Buttermilk has its own importance in curing the piles. So it will increase our digestion power. So once you churn the curd with adding the water into it, so add some cumin powder with salt So for that you can mix the buttermilk and use it for drinking at least once in a day. So this will helps to increase our digestion. And we can make the powder of cumin seeds, and boil it in the water, and that water we can use it for drinking in the entire day. This is about the brief about the diet in hemorrhoids or piles. If you find this is a worth value, then kindly follow me on the Instagram and Facebook, where the description has the link in it. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.